Hello, my Leo Virgo cusp sign. Let's have a quick monthly reading for you. Let's try and find out how the month of August 25 will be for you, my love. Sweetie pies, if you're new to my channel, do like, share and subscribe to it. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you've been my regular viewer, thank you so much, my love, for being a part of Vibra to Live family. If you belong to my zodiac signs, darlings, hang on for some more time. Shortly, we'll upload a reading for you. This is for my cusp babies. A happy birthday to all my darlings whose birthdays have started up, or I'm sorry if I've missed wishing you, darlings. Okay, so let's begin with your reading and let's bifurcate into three parts. First to the 10th, 11th to the 20th, and then from the 21st to the 30th. I'm sorry. Angels and spirit guides, first 10 days, please. We have inner voice, the master, rightness, miser. Now, can you see the synchronicity? Okay, that's what I want to tell you. We have the crescent moon, we have the crescent moon, we have the full moon, right? So, your higher self, your intuition is trying to tell you, you need to follow that. Remember, you're the master of your life. Finance flow is coming in. But if you avoid being rigid or stubborn and you be in a receptive mode, everything will come to you. Now the choice lies in your hands. That's what it's trying to say. You have good things. Everything what you want, you have good things. Trust me. Now let's come to the mid 10 days. That would be from the 11th to the 20th. Traveling, change, transformation and understanding. So, remember, whatever is happening now, it is happening for a reason. That's why changes are mandatory. Avoid resistance. Something good is coming up, good shifts, communication, success is embracing. You need to step out of your comfort zone and have faith. Remember, handling things with loving kindness energy will bring in success. Allow this thing. You have your angels, your mentors or gurus who are definitely supporting you. So, don't resist. Now, let's come to the last 10 days. That would be from the 21st to the 30th. Suppression, possibilities, laziness, guilt. Can you see the synchronicity? So you're overthinking and you're overburdened, you're tired. Okay, this is what it's trying to say. Your brain is pushing you in that. So it's okay. Okay, just let go, step out. What is it that you like? Hop, skip, dance, travel, exercise. Do what makes you feel good. Maybe that is what it's trying to say. If you see from a higher perspective, you can come out of your situation. In case if you think you're getting stuck, remember, emotionally you can be happy, but you need to shrug off that laziness and step out. This is what it's trying to say. Step out. Okay, now let's ask your angels guidance for you. Play, have fun, be a child. Spending time with children will make you feel good. Don't take things much to your heart. Be in a happy space is what your angels are trying to guide you. Let's ask your love energies. So sweet. Somebody likes you, or you can, there is someone that you might end up confessing those feelings. It says I like you and ascending. Your relationships are gonna go up. Whatever obstacles are there, you will come over. Prepare for a union, because you need to be a little flirtatious. Love is in the air. Okay, so yeah, that seems sweet. Now let's ask universe if there is anything specific coming up for you in this month. Main male. So masculine energy will play a very important role in your life. This person knows, is in power and authoritative energy. This could be your partner as well, or like a proposal coming up. I kind of liked your month. It's just like, your month has just started. It's your birthday month. So how should I sum up this month? This is your month. Seriously, follow your gut feeling is what I will say. Be happy, allow those shifts, do not get suppressed, bring in that me time, finance flow, everything will reach out to you. Be playful is what your angels are trying to tell you. Your love life is ascending. Be flirtatious, somebody might just confess their feelings towards you. A masculine energy will be of utmost help for you in this month. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading, and I shall definitely see you soon. If this reading has resonated with you by any means, let me know in the comment section. But if you think it hasn't, no worries, my love. You don't have to take things to your heart. I shall see you soon in my next read. Have a wonderful month ahead, my love. Stay happy, stay blessed.